welcome to the unboxing of the Panasonic ER-GY10K 6-in-1 body and face grooming kit. You can see what the trimmer actually looks like, the grooming kit actually looks like from the picture on top of the box. It comes with 4 attachments. We will go into detail soon enough. But you can tell what these attachments are. These are the hair cutting attachments, the beard trimming attachment, the body trimming attachment, and the armpit and groin area trimming attachment. Let's quickly take a look at what other information is available on this box here. Over here it says that this adjustable cutting length of 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15 mm, that's 5 length settings. Washable for easy maintenance, and 0.5 mm precision cutting. Okay, on this side we have some more information. It takes about 12 hours to charge this device, and it has a runtime of 50 minutes. That's not bad at all. What other information do we have? This is basically more in detailed. Sorry, I'll do this part again. So at the back we have, so this is basically a more detailed version of the what the attachments will do. Let's open this box and take a look at all the components inside. Okay, what's this? This is a warranty certificate from Panasonic. This is an operating instruction manual from Panasonic. I'm going to keep this here. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff. Let's take a look at them individually. This is a cleaning fluid and a cleaning brush, as you can see. Give it a closer look there, and a cleaning brush. Let's take a look at the trimmer itself. This is what it looks like. There you can see it has a very compact design. This is the power button. Okay, it doesn't seem to have any charge right now. Yeah, it doesn't have any charge. But this is one of the attachments that it comes with. You can remove it like this very easily. And this is the trimming head. Over here you will see these 5 numbers. These are basically your length adjustments. So all you have to do to adjust the lengths are just shift it like so, and the lengths will be adjusted. This is the trimming head. It is generally detachable. Like, there you go. You could detach it and wash it under tap water. Put this back on. There you go. Once again, this has a very compact and ergonomic design. It's easy to hold, and yeah, that's about it. Very sleek design. These are the other 3 attachments, other 3 combs that this particular trimmer comes with. There's a hair cutting trimmer. There's a body trimming attachment, and the armpit and groin trimming attachment. So along with this, these are 4 attachment tools. There you go, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It also comes with this tray. You can put these trimmers over here, basically like this. They can rest over here. Okay, they can rest like this basically. You can then dock the entire thing. So yeah, you can keep them like so. I'm going to leave this here and take a look at the final thing. So yeah, this is it. This is the charging dock for this particular grooming kit. You can see some very big charging dock with a very long flat charging cable as well. So yeah, it fits pretty well over here. So this is how you're supposed to charge this particular device. So this is it. This is all you find inside the box containing the Panasonic ER-GY10K 6-in-1 body and face grooming kit. Thank you for watching.